Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to set up vendor management using Monday.com. Let's get started. First up, log into your Monday.com account. If you don't have one, don't worry, it's quick and easy to set up. This is important because it's your control center where you'll be managing all your vendors. Once you're in, click on the New button on the left sidebar and select Board. Name it Vendor Management. Now that we've done that, you'll see an empty board. This board will serve as our main hub for vendor information. Next, click on the Add Group button. Create multiple groups to categorize your vendors, say based on the type of service they provide. This helps us because it makes it easier to locate specific vendors when needed. Now, let's add some columns. Click on the Column Center button and start adding columns for vendor details like name, contact info, service type, and payment terms. The reason we do this is to have all the vendors' information in a single view. Next up, click on Add Item under each group to start adding your vendors. Fill in the columns you've created with the respective vendors' details. Remember, consistency is key here. Consistently populating these fields ensures that you have all the necessary details when you need them. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Every time you add a vendor to this board, Monday.com is creating a database of your vendors. You can filter, sort, and search this database, making vendor management a breeze. Let's move on to automations. Click on the Automations button, select when status changes to something, notify someone. This will automatically send you or your team notifications whenever there are updates. This is crucial so you can monitor progress and respond quickly to changes. Finally, let's not forget about integration. Click on Integrations, then Add Integration. Here, you can connect your board with other tools you use, like your email or accounting software. This helps us because it streamlines your workflow and avoids manual data entry. And that's it. You've just set up vendor management on Monday.com. By following these steps, you're well on your way to a more organized and efficient vendor management process. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.